Welcome back to Baseline Fresh. This is the announcement video for getting you guys ready for my giveaway that's coming up in a couple weeks. So we've had some really good growth on the channel. We're coming up to 100 subscribers, and I wanted to do a giveaway to sort of speed up the process and also reward some of my longtime viewers with a little prize. Maybe, give my loyal followers a chance at winning something and getting something out of following the channel. So when I reach 100 followers or subscribers, whatever you want to call it, on YouTube, I will be mailing out a detailing starter kit, like a package basically. So I have some stuff here, but before we get into what exactly I'll be giving away, I want to explain the rules for the upcoming giveaway. So I'll put out this video a couple weeks early to get you guys ready. We'll be having a voting system, and I'll put you into a draw for receiving this package. For right now, I can say I will be shipping to the US or to Canada. I don't know if I can do international, so sorry to all my international viewers, but we can figure out something in the future. Right now, this is just for US and Canada. So I'll be sending this out, and you can get extra draws or extra chances to win, depending on if you comment below on this video when it comes out, if you comment below on the official start of the contest in a couple weeks on that video, if you go to my friend Crash Coral, who provides all the music, if you go to his SoundCloud account and you follow him or you give him a comment, I'll add 3 extra chances for you to win this prize. If you subscribe to my channel, that's another extra entry. And then if you can share your video to some of your friends or family and then send me through DM or picture proof that they are watching and they're sharing, then that will be another 2 entries. So there's a lot of chances to win this prize, and hopefully one of you guys can walk away with some of this cool stuff. So here we have a little bit of a starter kit. I'll be sending out 2 buckets. I believe these are 6-liter buckets, but I can double check. They are pretty handy. They're smaller footprint size, so they're really good for mobile detailing or just your at-home driveway sort of stuff. This one has a handle. I'll need to look for the handle for this one. I think I have it still. They're in really good condition, no leaks, no really big damage. They are a little bit used because I had to try them out, but they're in great shape. And then we have this Armor All foam cannon. If you watched the video that I have up on my channel from last year, I actually did a full review and unboxing of this foam cannon. I've been using this exact unit in my mobile detailing and here at home, and it's been really useful. In the review, if you want all of my thoughts, please go back and check out that video. But just a quick rundown, it's a really great entry unit. I got it for about 30 bucks. It came with soap and the cannon in a little package. It's a pretty good deal because most of the name brand stuff that you can find on Amazon are in the $60 to $90 range, and it's basically the exact same construction. I will say it doesn't produce crazy foam like as thick as shaving cream like you see on everyone's videos. It's a lot more watery. You can change the little nozzle inside, but I was just using it as it came straight out of the box, and for me it did what I needed it to do. I used it with spray waxes and I used it with regular car soap, and it worked great. So I'm happy to pass this on to someone. Hopefully you can get a lot more use out of it. As you can see, it even has numbers for measuring your dosage of if you use car soap or whatever. This is a 40-ounce container, nice wide bottom. Works really well, connects with a quick connect to your pressure washer. And then moving on here, for the exterior of your car, I'll be sending a 2-in-1 cleaning mitt. This is Turtle Wax. Moving on to the back here, you can see there are instructions for use. It's green chenille on one side and then gray mesh on the other side. So you can use the microfiber side for your car paint. It holds a lot of soap and water, removes dirt and grime. And then on the back, you can use the tougher mesh side to get rid of bugs and tar and things that are stuck onto your paint. It's really good, really useful. I have a few of these that I use for mobile detailing. It's a great value. And then for your interior stuff, I'll be sending this 3-pack of multi-use platinum detailing towels. So they're all different types of microfiber. I believe both of these are a blend of 80-20 polyester polyamide. I have a video detailing what that means too, that will be coming out in the future. So on the back here, this thick black towel is for scrubbing. You can see here they each have their own intended uses. So Turtle Wax glass drying scrubbing towels. Black is the 2-sided scrubbing towel for dirt and grime and wheels. Yellow is the all-purpose microfiber towel for cleaning, drying, dusting, and polishing. And the green is mostly for glass, and I like to use it on the dashboard as well. So these are really high quality. I found them to be very durable, and they've held up in lots of uses. So I usually buy a couple packs of these maybe once or twice a year. And it's great for the interior because you can have different stages and, you know, organize how you want to move through your car, and it's really set up well. I really love Turtle Wax's products, so I'm happy to give you guys a chance to win this package. I'll be shipping it out, so stay tuned for more info. I'll also put up the info on my Instagram account and my Reddit page, so be sure to check that out if you want to know more. So this has been Baseline Fresh. Good luck to all you guys. I hope someone enjoys the prize that they're giving me. Thank you.